everyone. Thanks for stopping back by to see what I'm up to today. And if you are new, welcome. I'm always happy to have you. I would love for you to hit the subscribe button and join our wonderful YouTube family. And welcome back to all of my returning subscribers. And today I have for you my Facetory subscription, and this is for the month of October, I believe. So we're going to get right into it and see what they have sent us. And for those that don't know, Facetory is a Korean sheet mask subscription. And I always write down the prices because I can never remember the exact. The Forever Fresh subscription, and this is what I get. You receive 4 masks. It's $8.90 a month. Or you can get the 7 Luxe, which is $19.90 a month, and you do get 7 masks. They also have a Lux Plus Box, which is seasonally $49.95. You get 10 to 12 skincare and hair care products with, I think, over a $200 promised value. I have not tried that one yet. Interested, so maybe one of these months I will get that and try that. We always get a cute little card, and this does have trick or treat on it, which tells me October. And these are postcards, so these are nice if you were traveling somewhere. You could just take a few with you and use them. Why not? And then this is the October Forever Fresh, and it gives me a little description of each of the masks with the value in it. So we're going to get right started on this, and this is from the actual Facetory themselves. And this is the Everyday Jasmine Hydrating Mask. Jasmine extract is a healing ingredient that calms and hydrates. And then there's the Simonsia, which is, I don't even know how to say that, which is a jojoba seed oil. And it's a calming ingredient that conditions the skin and smooths out skin texture. This is a good mask. Value of $3.50. Oh, this packaging is cute. This one here is BRTC, is the brand. And there's 2 different versions. So you could have gotten one or the other. So we got this one here. And this is Makeover Mask. And the 2 choices were Empress, or Bewitch. And I have Empress. And there is Calendula, skin calming ingredient that aids in healing acne, irritation, and redness. And then a ginseng berry extract, which is an anti-aging, brightening, and moisturizing ingredient that protects and rebuilds the skin barrier. Wow, these are some really great masks this month. This has a value of $3. And then the next one, another cute package. I am such a sucker for packaging. This is from Bling Pop, and this is a pumpkin soothing and brightening mask. So the pumpkin is great for hydrating and exfoliating, brightens the skin, and prevents fine lines and wrinkles. And then there's peony seed extract, which is calming, brightening, and moisturizing. And this ingredient helps balance the skin. It has a value of $2. Seems like these masks in this bundle are for like hydrating and really getting in deep and taking care of all the problems. Oh, no, this is a cute packaging also. And this brand is Candy O'Lady. And this is Little Witch Candy Mask. And this has collagen and peptides in it. So we all know what collagen does. It's skin elasticity. And then the peptides strengthen and restore the skin, keep it moisturized. And this is a value of $2.50. I think some great masks in that one. Tips that they always give, which I like to share: do not leave masks on for over 30 minutes. By leaving a mask on longer than the 30-minute mark, instead of putting in the serum and putting in all the goodness, it actually starts to pull moisture out of your skin. So always be mindful of the time limits on your mask. Use the remaining essence to moisturize the neck and shoulders. I always put anything extra on the back of my hands, your elbows. Apply a moisturizer after masking to lock in the essence from the mask. I never realized to do that. Okay. Then they tell you if you receive one of these 2 masks, subscriptions, the Forever Fresh or the 7 Lux, if you want to upgrade, oh no, if you receive the Forever Fresh kit, if you want to upgrade to the 7 Lux plan, use the code in all caps, FRESH2LUX, for 20% off your first 7 Lux subscription. So that is right there on the bottom of the card. For anybody that gets this, that gets the Forever Fresh, if you wanted to try the 7 masks, you can get 20% off. That's not a bad deal. Okay, so these are the 4 masks that I received this month. And I do mask all the time. I share them. I put them in giveaways. I find it very, very rewarding to give back to all of you for everything that you do for me. You watch my videos, you comment, you share, you do everything. Without all of you, I have nothing. So I am well aware of that. I am humbled every day by the milestones that we keep on meeting and the lovely people that I meet in the comments and talk back and forth with. So I really do appreciate every one of you. And I appreciate all of you watching. And as always, I hope to see you in my next video. Bye-bye now.